everyone, I'm Andy. Thank you for watching. Now, something a bit different in today's video. I have got in front of me a box. Well, I've actually got two boxes. And I decided to purchase these items for the chickens in the backyard. And I want to open them just to have a look, kind of actually to see how good they're going to kind of be. So these are Omlet's range of treat holders. So it's called the Caddie treat holder, and just want to kind of show you what it looks like really, just to see how good they are as well. Okay, so it comes in a box like that. So that's quite a decent size. Kind of bit of string there to, you know, attach it, and then obviously you can put your treats in. But it also comes with an extra bit of rope and then a bit of a sort of hook, so you can hook it to the top of your run. So I'm quite looking forward to kind of getting these set up really. So in true presenter style, here's one I made earlier. So I've just filled that with some kind of spare vegetables that I had left over in the allotment here, and I'm just going to go and see how they take to it. So let's go outside and see what it's like. So out in the chickens plot here, I've got a few sort of areas that we can kind of look at hanging this up. And do you know what? It's always beneficial to have, you know, kind of boredom breakers and I guess, you know, things like this where you can put some kind of healthy treats in for your hens, because, you know, hens like us, they do get bored and they need a bit of kind of stimulation. I mean, these poles here, I've got 4 of these green poles, just kind of I guess kind of camping poles. It's just what I use to pitch up a tarpaulin when I know we're going to get a fair bit of rain. Then I'll just pitch some tarp between these 4, which is why they're still in here. In the summer they won't be, but as we're coming into winter, I've just left them in here. But I've got this, which is just an old, I think it used to have an old kind of solar light on. And I did, you know, I mean that's the cabbage that they've demolished there, and I would just normally kind of drill through the stem of that. But I've seen this and I thought, this is a great idea. And that's it. It's as simple as that. So it'll be interesting to see if they take to that. So I'm just going to give them a second, whilst I move this out of the way, and see if they kind of, well, they're going to follow me because they think that I've got food, because I normally do. So I'm just going to put that there, see if I can entice them over. So I've got another one of these. Yeah, let me just pick you up. Let's move you around a bit. So as you've seen, I've got another one which I'm going to have to figure out where to put, but I'm thinking I might put it in the actual kind of enclosed run of the coop. So they'll have one there which is undercover, and then they'll also have the one behind me which is, you know, open to the elements, so to speak. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see if they, you know, how long it takes for them to kind of draw to that. In terms of a product, that's pretty good. I like that. It's easy, you know, you couldn't kind of get more simple, and it's good. It's kind of big as well. So, you know, I mean, let me come and show you. Look. So in there we've got some broccoli heads plus some leaves off the cauliflower there. So they're quite good sizes. I just love Omlet. I love Omlet range of you know, of products. They're so good, aren't they? Yeah. So let me just think if there's any kind of changes since we last had a walk around the yard here. Still kept. So when I introduced the new hens a few months ago in the summer to my existing flock, there's an old kind of wheelbarrow there which you can sort of just see, so up against that tree. I've left that there because I've noticed that a couple of the chickens do kind of like to hide behind that as a bit of kind of added shelter, so I've left that. The pallet behind the shelter that I made, which is there, I've left that just propped up. Frank in particular, my cockerel, he loves it behind there. I think he just feels a bit safer. But one thing that's kind of dawned on me is we've looked around the chickens, you know, plenty of times, but I've never actually kind of discussed in detail the coop. So I think what I'll probably do is I'll probably quite a detailed review on the chicken coop, because I've had numerous chicken coops in the past. This was I mean, it's what, 3 years old now, but it's the first time I bought one of the Omlet range of products. So I think it's only fair and only right that I kind of talk about that in a bit of detail. So if you are looking at keeping chickens and you're a little bit unsure about housing, you know, what's the best coop kind of to go for, then hold fire till that video. Hopefully I'll try and get that done next week. And yeah, hopefully it'll give you a bit more kind of information if you're kind of on the fence with, you know, what to do. But anyway, with regards to those treat holders, yeah, they're looking good. But that's it, it's just a quick video, quick kind of update with the hens. Everything's good. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again. Take care.